Good morning, girls. Today we are going to start chapter number 5, lesson number 15, factorization. We are going to use same formulas in this chapter which we have used in chapter number 4. I hope you have understood all the formulas in chapter number 4, or square formulas, cube formulas. We will use all of them to factorize. This chapter, exercises, these factorization exercises comes in the descriptive part. So it is very important topic. If you are good in formulas and all that, if you have learned it, then you can easily do these questions. You must have done factorization earlier, but this is little bit, you can say, um, difficult than the previous classes, difficult questions. uh, I'll give you the examples, and with the help of examples, you can do the exercises. Okay. Now in this chapter you can see the first topic, uh, factorization. Actually in this chapter there is HCF, LCM and square roots. We'll start with the factorization. Now the formulas which we are going to use now, the factors of the expressions reducible to the form a square minus b square. So we will reduce the question and we will use this formula a square minus b square. But before applying this formula, what we are going to do, we will use another formula. So two formulas in these type of questions we are going to use. Now the first formula which we are going to use, you already know these formulas. So first formula, we will arrange the question according to this first formula. So we will apply a square plus or minus 2ab plus b square equals to a plus minus b the whole square. Plus minus sign means you can apply same formula with plus a plus b the whole square and with a minus b the whole square. So both plus and minus formulas. So according to the question you will apply the formula. And after applying that formula, the second formula which we will apply, as you can see in the heading also. So the second formula, you have done this also. So we will apply a square minus b square equals to a plus b and a minus b. Now I have written the formula according to the questions. So first you will arrange the question in this form: a square plus 2ab plus b square, or a square minus 2ab plus b square. First arrange the question in this form, then change it into this a plus or minus b the whole square. Second step, you will arrange the question in a square minus b square form, and answer will come in a plus b and a minus b form. This is the last step. Answer will come in a plus b and a minus b form. So let's start with the first formula. Now question will come to factorize. They are not going to mention which formulas you have to apply. You have to just factorize. Okay, question will come to factorize. Now let me write the question. Example I have taken from your book, because in the exams also they give from the examples from your book. So first example from your book is to factorize. Okay, simply they will write to factorize. Now what you have to factorize, the expression is given 9x square minus y square plus z square plus 6xz. Okay, so the question is given. So first formula will apply. First step is to arrange the equation according to the first formula. Okay, so let me write the question first. 9x square minus y square plus z square plus 6xz. Now this is the question, so we will rearrange according to the first formula. Okay, So first formula is a square plus 2ab. 2ab is product of first and last term, right? You can see a square and for last term is b square, so middle term is product of first and last term. So we will find the middle term first in the question. So in all these you can see x square, y square, z square, and this is product. 6xz is product, so it means that 6xz is the middle term according to the formula. 6xz is the middle term, right? So 6xz with sign plus is the middle term. So now according to this, x term is your first term, so x term is 9x square. So 9x square is the first term and z is the third term, so plus z square. So we have arranged this, and the remaining term, remaining this y square minus y square will go in the end. Okay, so we have arranged this according to the formula. So which formula we are applying? In factorization it is necessary to mention the formula, so let me write the formula. We have arranged this expression according to this formula. A square, middle term is with plus sign, so we will write plus sign. A square plus 2ab plus b square, and this is equals to a plus b the whole square. Now we will change it in this form. First compare it with this. Okay, so let me write it according to the formula. A square, compare it with this. So a square means root of first term 3x square plus 2 into a means first term and b means last term, it is z, plus z whole square minus y square. Okay, so we have compared the question. This is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. So you have to break this term. You have to write it according to the formula. Root of this term, root of last term. Okay, and middle term is product of 2a and b. A is this term, b is this term. So a square plus 2ab plus b square, and this is equals to what? A plus b the whole square. So a means first term 3x plus b is the last term z the whole square minus this as it is. So first step is done. We have applied the first formula. Arrange the question according to the formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, we have arranged it according to the formula, and the remaining term you will write it in the end. Compare it with the formula, and you have to break the term according to the formula. No, not to break them, but write it according to the formula. Root of first term, root of last term, and middle term is product. So a square plus 2ab plus b square is equals to a plus b the whole square. This term as it is. Okay, till here it is done. Now what we are going to do, we will apply the next formula. Okay, so the next formula which we are going to apply, next formula is a square minus b square equals to a plus b and a minus b. Now we'll compare the question with this. A square means this bracket. Okay, so bracket is a 3x plus z the whole square. This is a square minus b square means root you will take y the whole square. Okay, so this is a square minus b square. Okay, a square minus b square. So a square minus b square equals to a plus b and a minus b. A plus b means 3x plus z plus y. This is a plus b, and a minus b means 3 plus z minus y. Okay. This is a and this is b. A plus b, a plus b, and a minus b. So this is the answer. So we have applied both the formulas. So I hope you all have understood. First step is to arrange the question according to a square plus 2ab plus b square formula, and then it is equals to a plus b the whole square. Then second step, you will arrange it according to a square minus b square formula. Okay. Okay, now I'll give you one more example of this. If suppose the order is different, then how to arrange it. Okay, so with different order, how to solve the same question, same type of question. Okay. Okay, the example is not there in your book, but as a question it is given in your book. Let me write the question. Okay. Okay, example number 2. Example number 2, you have to factorize. Now what to factorize? Question is 1 minus 4x square minus y square plus 4xy. So this is a question. Same way you will arrange the question according to the formula. Find the middle term. Now the middle term in the question is 4xy. You all can guess the middle term in the question. It is 4xy. Okay, according to this, first term will be this and the last term will be y square. Okay, x and y are involved in the product term, so it means first term will be x and last term will be y. Okay, now this one will remain as it is as first term. Okay, let me write the question first. 1 minus 4x square minus y square plus 4xy. Now first term will remain as it is, 1. Let me write rearrange. Okay. Rearrange according to the formula. So 1 will remain as it is as first term. So minus 4x square, and this is the middle term, so we will write it in the middle, 4xy, and this last term is minus 4y square. So this part we will compare it with the formula a square plus 2ab, now plus b square. Now this sign is minus and this sign is also minus, but in the formula first and last terms are always positive terms, always with plus sign. Formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square, or minus formula also a square minus 2ab plus b square. So first and last terms are always positive terms. So what we are going to do, we will make these terms positive, this term and this term positive. How? By taking the sign common, minus sign common. So 1 minus sign common, we will write it in the bracket, 4x square. So minus sign is common inside the bracket, you will write opposite sign, plus will change into minus 4xy, and this will also change into plus y square. Okay, so we have taken minus sign common. Why? To make first term positive and last term positive. So according to the formula, first and last terms are always positive terms. Okay, so let me write the formula. So according to this, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So minus formula this time, a square minus 2ab plus b square equals to a minus b the whole square. Okay, so we are applying minus formula. Middle term is with minus sign. This one will remain as it is, 1 minus. Now solve it according to the formula. This is root of first term 2x the whole square and root of the last term plus y the whole square, and middle term will be minus 2ab means first term into last term. Okay, so this is a square minus 2ab plus b square, and if you'll solve it you'll get this question again. Okay, so this bracket a square minus 2ab plus b square, so we have written this in the formula form. Now 1 minus this whole bracket is equals to a minus b the whole square. A is the first term minus b is the last term, y the whole square. Okay, so a square minus 2ab plus b square equals to a minus b the whole square. So this first step is done. Now the second step, we will apply the second formula. Let me write down the formula. Formula is a square minus b square equals to a plus b and a minus b. Okay, so this formula we will apply it. We will compare the question with this formula. So 1 the whole square root of 1 is 1 minus this is b square. Okay, it's already squared, so 2x minus y the whole square. First term is a square minus b square. Okay, so that's why we have kept 1 as first term, because there is minus sign in the formula, there is minus sign. So this is a square minus b square. So a square minus b square equals to a plus b, a minus b. So a plus b and a minus b. So a minus b, you will write it in the bracket because outside is minus sign. Okay, a plus b and a minus b. Next step, you will open the bracket, this as it is, and the second one will change, minus minus into minus is plus y. So this is the answer. So in two steps you can solve it. In first step you will apply the first formula, arrange the question, apply a square plus or minus 2ab plus b square, and in the second step you will apply a square minus b square formula. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Arrange the question according to the formula, change it into a plus or a minus b the whole square form, and in the second step compare the question with a square minus b square and answer in a plus b and a minus b form. Okay, so this I hope you have understood. So we have applied two formula. Now example number 3 is in your book. Very important example it is. In this case also we will solve the question in two steps. We will apply same formulas, two formulas. Okay, so example number 3, again to factorize. Okay, question will come to factorize. They will not mention how to solve it, that you have to guess it yourself. Okay, x4 plus 4y4. Now in this question, terms, only two terms are given. So when only two terms are given, how to solve it? And plus sign is given between them. When two terms are given and there is plus sign between them, how to solve it? Okay, question I'm going to write x power 4 plus 4y power 4. Now same way you have to solve. You have to apply the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square formula. Now according to the formula, let me write the formula first. Okay, we are going to apply a square plus 2ab plus b square equals to a plus b the whole square. Now you can see in the question there are only two terms. So which two terms are given? You can see this term is the first term, you can take root of it, and this is the last term. Why? Because you can take the root of the last term. So what is missing in the question? Middle term is missing. So in this type of question, when middle term is missing, you will find the middle term. So this is we can say incomplete question. So we are going to complete this question. Okay, completing the perfect square. How to complete it? Find the middle term. So first term, root of first term you will take x square the whole square. Root of x4 is x square the whole square, and this is the last term. So root of the last term is root of 4 is 2, and root of y4 is y square the whole square. Okay, so root of first term, root of last term, middle term will be plus 2 into ab. A means first term, b means last term, 2y square. Okay, so middle term, this middle term we have added. Question was incomplete, middle term was missing, so this we have added. So according to the rule, whatever you add, same thing you have to subtract. So same thing we are going to subtract. So we will write the same term with minus sign. Minus 2 into x square into 2y square. Okay, so this we are subtracting. Whatever you have to add, same you have to subtract. Now this whole thing is equals to a plus b the whole square. So we will change this into a plus b the whole square, and this term you will multiply. Minus 2 into 2 4 x square y square minus 4 x square y square. So first step is complete. We have applied the formula, we have arranged it according to the formula. Middle term was missing, find the middle term. Whatever you add, same thing you subtract. Okay, so when middle term is missing, always apply plus formula. Okay, plus formula. Why? Because so that you can subtract here and you can apply second formula. Second formula is with minus sign, a square minus b square. Okay, so we need minus sign that side. Okay, so that's why always apply plus here so that you will get minus that side. So now we are going to apply the second formula. We have applied the first formula, apply the second formula. Arrange the question according to the second formula. Second formula is a square minus b square equals to a plus b and a minus b. So change it according to this form. X square plus 2y square the whole square is, this whole bracket is a square minus b square means root of this term, so root is 2xy the whole square. So now this is a square minus b square equals to a plus b. So x square plus 2y square, this is a plus b. first term plus second term. Okay, this is a plus b, and this is a minus b. So this is the answer. Easy question it is. Find the missing middle term, add and subtract the middle term, convert this formula into a plus b the whole square form, then apply next formula, a square minus b square. It is equals to a plus b and a minus b. So I hope you have understood when two terms are given and question is incomplete. Now another example I'll give you of incomplete question. Okay. Now again, if the question is incomplete, then how to solve it? So let me write the question, incomplete question. Sample number 4. Factorize a4 plus a square plus 1. Okay. Same way we are going to solve, we will apply the first formula and then the second formula. One by one we will apply the formulas. Okay. Now let's start with the first one. Now in the question you can see there are three terms, a4 plus a square plus 1. Now let's write it according to the formula. You know the formula, so write the formula first. We will compare this question. Now middle term, when three terms are given, check the sign of the middle term. If middle term is with plus sign, you will apply plus formula. If middle term is with minus sign, you will apply minus formula. Okay, so this is different from that question. In that question there were only two terms. When two terms are given, always apply plus formula. And if three terms are given and question is incomplete, you will apply the formula according to the middle term sign. So middle term is with plus sign, we will apply plus formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square equals to a plus b the whole square. So we are applying plus formula. Why? Because middle term is with plus sign. Now compare it with the formula. Root of first term a square the whole square, root of the last term plus 1 the whole square. Now write the middle term according to the formula 2ab. So 2a means a square and b means 1 square. Now this term we are adding middle term. Okay, you can see that middle term should be 2a square, but in the question only a square is given. It means that middle term is not correct, it is incomplete. So when middle term is incomplete, it is not correct, what we do, we always write the middle term in the end. So incomplete middle term will go in the end. This middle term, this will go in the end. Okay. So now according to the rule, whatever we have added, same thing we will subtract. So minus, you can multiply and write 2 ones are 2 a square. Okay, this square will not come. 2a square we have added, so we will subtract 2a square. And this incomplete middle term we will write it in the end. Clear? A square plus 2ab plus b square. This middle term is not same as this one. These two are different, so it means this is incorrect. Incorrect middle term will go in the end. Okay, this we have added. This is whatever you add, same thing you will subtract. Okay, this we have added, same we will subtract. Now what we are going to do, according to the formula, this whole is equals to a plus b the whole square. So a plus b the whole square. Okay, and minus these two terms, 2a square plus a square. So you will subtract the terms. this a square plus 1 the whole square minus, subtract these two terms, you will get minus a square. Okay, now first step is finished. We are going to apply the second formula. Write down the formula. So according to the formula, a square minus b square equals to a plus b and a minus b. So apply the formula. A square plus 1 the whole square minus a the whole square. So this is equals to a square plus 1 plus a. This is a plus b and a minus b. So this is the answer. So incomplete questions, when incomplete middle term is given, always write incomplete middle term in the end. Okay, find the correct middle term and same thing you will subtract. Plus sign is here, you are applying plus formula, that side you will subtract. If middle term is with minus sign, you will apply minus formula and that side you will add. Okay, so always write opposite sign. If this side is minus sign, that side you will write plus sign. Okay, whatever you add, same thing you subtract, or if you are subtracting here, same thing you will add. So opposite you will do. So apply the formula according to the middle term sign. Middle term is with plus sign. Apply plus formula. So plus this side, you're adding this side, that side you will subtract. If you are applying minus formula, if minus is this side, you are subtracting this side, then that side you will add. Okay, remember this. So rest will remain same. Okay, so this whatever you have added, same thing you will subtract, and this incorrect or incomplete middle term will go in the end. So a square plus 2ab plus b square equals to a plus b the whole square, and last two terms as it is. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. Now what you guys have to do, you have to solve the exercise. Okay, your homework is to do the exercise. Try to do exercise 5.2. Okay, your homework is to do exercise 5.2. Okay, uh, question number 1, and you will solve it. There are parts given. All the parts you have to do in question number 1 using example number 1 and 2. With the help of example number 1 and 2, you will solve question number 1, and you will solve question number 2, all the parts, using example number 3 and 4. Okay, so with the help of 3 and 4, you will solve question number 2. So try to complete all this. Okay, this exercise 5.2. I hope you have understood this. Anything you have not understood, any step, just mark it, and when you come in the class, you can ask me in the class, then we will solve this in the class. Okay girls, uh, try to solve these questions. Okay, practice these questions. These are a little different type of questions, but important topic it is, very important topic. So anything is not clear, just mark it and you can ask me in the class. Okay girls, take care girls, bye.